Hold on. Oops. You ready?
Yes.
Okay, we're ready.
I drew a,
Stand up on the porch.
Mom, I drew a heart really quick that you just rubbed.
Ready?
See, right there.
Okay, ready? Stand back. You ready to watch?
Yeah.
Watch out, hey. Stand back.
Wow!
There's our pot of boiling water. What you think?
I love it. Put snow in it.
Let's scoop up some snow, see what happens. Nothing. Oh, it's cold. Alright, let's go in. Ooh. Come on, it's too cold out here.